Terrified of this water. Terrified. He is running. He's scared. He doesn't know what to do. He's trapped. He's a trapped lion. He's trapped. He's trapped. He's frightened of a glass of water. A simple glass of water. He don't know what to do with a simple glass of water. Rain! Simple glass of water. Simple glass of water. Nope.
That's a water.
Simple glass of water. Take a picture of the turkey. Simple glass of water. Simple glass of water. Glass of water. Come on. You want a glass of water? Come on. One glass of water. One glass. Nay, nay. One glass.
Oh gosh, I got laces
One
panties.
glass. One glass. Just one. Just one glass. Come on. You just want one glass. Come on, peer pressure. One glass. Just one. Just one. Come on, you want a drink? Come on, you want a drink? Oh, come on. Come on, it's delicious. You want a drink? Oh, you just want to sit on your paw. Come on.
Where's it get out?
Come on. It's called peer pressure these days. It's for the dogs. For the dogs these days. No. Peer pressure. Come on. You want some water? Stop. He said no. Just stop.